You guys mic'd on here. Sorry about that. To get us out on camera. Here with break 67, I think. Here, actually, let's go check it out on eBay. So there's nobody in the blog channel right now, so doing on blog's almost pointless. Getting past all this, I'll show you guys the last team that ended. Alright, apparently Florida was the last team that ended, even though I'm sure it's Washington. Still hasn't been paid for by John Pettigrew. And it ended a while ago. 22 EST, so 19 Pacific Standard Time. So at 7 o'clock, around 8 o'clock, I guess, is ended. And right now it's 7:15. Sorry guys for the late break. Got home a little late today. These are box, guys. I'll break that live for you right now. One sec. Get this set up. Sorry for the vlog recording. I guess it's kind of unnecessary. Okay, let's start the break. Hey guys. Here we go. Can we see this on the camera? Sorry guys, one sec. Gotta make sure we see it on the camera. Alright, there we go. Good luck, guys. This box should be a good one. Well, we did hit the silver already, so maybe there's another one. That'd be nice. What we are waiting on is, we've never pulled a veteran silhouette. To be honest, I don't even know what they're out of because I've never seen one. I've seen the rookies. We got the Brandon Saw this case. Here we go. Pack number 1. Base of Braden Shen. We got a base of Eric Stahl. Saw Edmonton Oiler. But it's a Devin Dubnyk, however you pronounce that. So it's a hit for the Oilers, who sold the cheapest I've ever seen, $13. We got a Patrick Waugh, so that's a hit. It's a legend base, and a Mike Richards base for LA. Those Heir to the Throne cards are pretty cool. Alright. Pittsburgh does so well with us, oh my goodness. Ryan Miller, red, so that's a hit as well for Buffalo. Dion Phaneuf base. Pavel Datsyuk, Detroit base. We got Jason Spezza base. And Crosby, Lords of the NHL, just jersey. How many times does Crosby appear in our breaks? It's just ridiculous. Him and Malkin. Pittsburgh does extremely well with us. Third pack. Hey, you gone? Alright, oh nice. Jan Sauve, Vancouver. It's a rookie base, but that gets considered a hit, I guess. We got a base, Shandon. Base of Jimmy Howard. A base of Brodeur. There should be another hit in this. There we go. We got a Carl Klingberg auto for Winnipeg. So it's a Carl Klingberg auto. Last pack, guys. It's kind of thick, actually. Those are really easy pack to open. Oh, cool. Okay, so we'll start off with the Ice Kings. Oh, cool. It's a Gabriel Landeskog, Colorado. I don't know if that's worth anything. Looks like a pretty cool card. One of the better rookies to collect. Danny Heatley, the All-Star base. Ilya Kovalchuk base. TJ Oshie base. Oh, nice. We got a just a signature of Erik Karlsson for Ottawa. And that's number 299. Nice hit for Ottawa. Right, we'll go a quick recap of all the hits. So we got a Karlsson auto out of 99. We got a Gabriel Landeskog Ice Kings, and that's not out of anything for Colorado. We got a Carl Klingberg hard signed rookie royalty. That's also unnumbered. Got a bunch of base cards for some reason that are there. Jan Sauve rookie base, I guess. Rookie base. That makes any sense. We got a Crosby Lords of the NHL. Regular jersey. Ryan Miller red base. Or Ruby. Patrick Waugh legend base. And we got the heir to the throne of Devin Dubnyk, Edmonton. Kind of a weak box. Weakest so far of the case. Still got a lot of hits though, I guess. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned for our next breaks. I believe we have one ending, a couple on Saturday, one on Friday, I think, and a couple of on Sunday as well. So hopefully you guys are there to join that. In addition to that, we have a case break of SPX. I believe we have 18 spots remaining. That case break should happen sometime soon. I believe the 21st of March was the scheduled release date, but it could always be pushed back. So yeah, remember, grab your spots in for that. There's set teams, set priced on our Facebook page. Mike Dom space hockey space group breaks, one word. Yeah, thanks, guys.